Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel, my Pastel Love. How you guys doing? In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I recreated this look right here using my favorite high-end makeup products. Now I'll recommend you all the products that you need in your life that I absolutely love are from the more higher end expensive brands. I don't want you guys to waste your money on products that is expensive but is not going to work or is not of good quality. So I have for years tried a lot of makeup products, high-end, drugstore, everything. So I have curated some of my most favorite high-end and expensive makeup products from start to finish, like primer, foundation, blush, bronzer, lipstick, everything, and I have created this particular look. So if you're interested in knowing what are those products and how I got this look, do keep on watching. So first of all, I'll start with my eyes and complete my eye makeup first, and then I'll move on to the rest of my face. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm going to use my most favorite palette. Now this is my favorite palette of all time, irrespective of whether it's high end or low end or whatever. This is the Huda Beauty new nude palette. I absolutely love this palette. I mean, the color theme and everything of this palette is amazing. Look at the color. And the formula of this, especially the shimmer shades, is amazing. So I'm going to use this palette today. So first of all, taking the shade Tickle for my transition, this one right here, I'm going to put that onto my crease and blend it out. So that's going to be my crease shade. Please ignore my eyebrows because it's not done. Haven't been to the parlor for years now, I feel like, thanks to the pandemic. Moving on to the other eyes, and I'm just going to buff that all over my crease and blend it. Next, I'm going to take a combination of this shade and this shade, like that two shades. It's more like a purpley sort of look I'm trying to create here. So I'm just going to take those two shades and just place it onto the outer edge, not anywhere, just here, and buff out whatever is left. So just the outer portion. Beautiful colors, like beautiful mauvey purpley tone. Like this is more like a cool tone palette, cool tone nude palette. It does have few warms, but mostly leaning towards the mauves and purples. Same thing onto the other eyes, just placing that onto the outer corner only. Next, taking this deep dark purple shade right here, it's called Love Bite. Using a teeny brush for it, just going to place that in the outer corner again, just to deepen that outer edge and give some depth. I'm going to take the same Love Bite shade and bring it onto my lower lash line. Not going all the way in, but just staying towards the outer edge. So this outer corner and this outer corner. Like this palette ka shimmers are so amazing, you guys. I'm just look at that pigmentation and that shimmery goodness. It's just gorgeous. So I'm just going to take the shade Daydream right here, just gorgeous, and place it onto my lids. You can even use a brush, like I'm having difficulty due to my long nails, but look at the shine. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows quickly using the Benefit Brow Pomade. Absolutely stunning product again. Now I'm not going to keep on saying this is my favorite, this is my favorite. All of these are my favorite high-end products, and that's what the video is all about. So this comes with a brush itself, and you can just use the brush, which is excellent. So I'm just going to fill up my brows. Little goes a long way with this product, and I'm not going to use a lot, but this is one of my favorite brow products of all time. And this is in the shade, I think 06 Chestnut. I'm not sure. I'll leave all the shade name and everything in the description box so you can check it out there. Next, for mascara, I'm going to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Absolutely stunning mascara. It gives you a very nice fuller lash effect. It's more like a volumizing mascara, so I'm going to coat my lashes nicely with it. Just see the difference. Also not forgetting my lower lash line. Next, I'm just going to pop some lashes. This is the Huda Beauty lash in the style Nulia. I absolutely love Huda Beauty lashes. It's affordable and it's not, I don't own any high-end lashes, so I'm just going to use this. Okay, so I'm done with the eyes. I've put on some falsies. Now moving on to the face. First of all, I'm going to use the Farsali liquid glass. This gives such an amazing dewy finish, sort of a priming effect. Like, it's such a beautiful product, absolutely stunning for especially dry skin. I'm just going to use 2-3 drops. It's more like a strobing effect it will give you. A pore minimizing or pore filling primer, I'm going to use the Benefit Pore Professional. Now this is what this is going to do is mattify my nose and my T-zone, and just I'm going to apply it wherever I want my pores to look blurry and matte. This is an amazing mattify primer, so if you are of the oily skin type or even like dry skin like me and you just want to mattify your T-zone, this is a great primer. Now moving on to foundation. My two favorite high-end foundations are these two. The first one is from Huda Beauty. This is the Huda Beauty stick foundation, and the other one is also a stick foundation. I love stick foundations. It's from Bobbi Brown. So I'm just going to mix these two and apply it on my skin so that you can see it. I don't like to apply a lot of base, so I'm just going to apply as less as possible. This is in the shade Ameratti and this is in the shade Honey, so I like to mix both. One is more yellow and the other one is a little warm, but basically it gives me a very nice coverage and gives me dewy finish, which I absolutely love. First of all, look at the packaging, so stunning and high-end and luxurious looking sticks. So I'm just going to buff it. Now stick foundations, I always prefer using brush because that's how I get a good coverage and I can spread it out evenly. And for liquid foundations, I'll go in with a beauty blender or a sponge. I'm just going to blend that all over. This foundation just gives me a very nice coverage without looking cakey, and it gives a very nice dewy skin-like finish. Now moving on to concealer. For concealer, I'm going to use the Jefree Star Magic Wand Concealer. First of all, look at the packaging, guys. It has like a magic wand stick sort of a design. Love Jefree Star products for their packaging and formula. This is in the shade C15. Again, it has a very yellow undertone, as you can see. I love yellow undertone in my base with this foundation or concealer, so I'm just going to apply it on to the bridge of my nose, and on the forehead. yeah, that is it. And I'm going to blend it out with my favorite pack concealer brush. This is pack 272. Absolutely stunning concealer brush. Now this concealer gives such an amazing finish. Like, of course it gives you coverage but does not cake up or it does not look dry under the eyes, giving that flawless finish. Can you guys see it? And also at the same time, of course, it's going to conceal and brighten my under eyes. So I love the shade C15 for my skin tone as well. Just take your time in blending, because no matter how good the product is, blending your makeup is key if you want to look flawless. Okay, now moving on to setting it with a powder. I don't have any high-end powder. I used to use the MAC Studio Fix, which was amazing, but that got over. Now I'm using this one from K Beauty. It is a very lightweight and amazing affordable powder, so I'm just going to dust that all over my skin to set my base. Now moving on to the favorite part of makeup for me is blushing, bronzing, highlighting. Love skin products. Now for bronzer slash contour, I have two products to show you guys because I love both of them, especially because of the color. The first one is the MAC Mineralizer Dark Deep shade. Look at this stunning orange caramelly shade, absolutely stunning. The next one is from Fenty Beauty. Again, look at the packaging, so beautiful. It's in the shade Banjal Girl or gyal, whatever it is. Stunning bronzers, stunning formula, and also the colors. So I'm going to mix both and apply it. You'd see it's a very beautiful caramel bronzy sort of a color, like sun-kissed caramel bronzy. That sort of bronzers I love. Very orange undertone. So I'm just going to apply that onto my hollows of my cheeks. I have apparently put on some kilos recently in past few months, so got to chisel the face using a good bronzer. Can you guys see the color? I don't know if my camera is picking up the amazing bronzy color that this one has. Oh my god. It just gives a very nice sun-kissed tan sort of look. Next, for blushing, I am going to use this Tarte palette. Again, one of my favorite blush palettes, blush formula, whatever you can call it. Again, look at the packaging. Now, these are all high-end products, but what is the point of owning a high-end product if you cannot show it off, right? So look at the packaging. I just love packaging like this. Even inside looks so good. It has got like 4 shades. So I'm just going to take a little bit of all 4. 3 are matte shade and one has got a little bit of shimmer in it. So I'm just going to mix all of them. And the formula again is amazing. And I'm going to put a little bit onto my nose as well. Look very nice and cohesive and blushed. Okay, next for highlighter, I'm going to use one of the cult classic yet amazing highlighters of all time. Look how mini this is. This is the Becca Champagne Pop by Jaclyn Hill. Absolutely stunning product. This gives such a blinding glow. This has like the champagne shade. I'm just, oh my god, just look at that. If you are into the blinding glow, honey, this is, you'll just pop. Absolutely stunning, amazing highlighter. Stunning highlighter if you're looking for a amazing, glowing, blinding, high-end product. Champagne cocktails. Now moving on to the lips, I'm going to use one of my favorite lip duo of all time. Both are from MAC. The first lip liner is called Soar by MAC. It is a beautiful deep dark pinky mauve shade, so I'm just going to line my lips with it. Now this color is so beautiful for us Indian skin girls. You'll see why. You can use this with lighter brown lipsticks, light any lipsticks. You can use this. Lip liner by itself is so stunning. Highly recommend this lip liner called Soar. Now for lipstick, I'm going to use again one of the cult classic colors. This is Meher. And again, it's a very mauve pink color. Now because my eyes are a little bit on the mauve cool tone side, so this lipstick is going to complement amazingly. Stunning. So this is the final look. If you guys liked this look, let me know in the comment section below. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.